Hello everyone. Welcome back to Code Arena. And today, we will be making a T-Web design in Figma. So, let's get started. First, we will go to figma.com. Okay, now, we will click on this Draft Plus button in the left sidebar. And we will click on the design file. And now, we will give this a title to T-Web Design 2. Okay. Now, what we will do is, we will click on this Frames button. And we will click on this Desktop button. We have a cool desktop frame. Now, what we will do is, we will right-click and we will go to the plugins. And we will go to Grainy Gradient. So, here you can see, it gives you many gradients that you can choose. So, I have already chosen one. Let me show you. Okay. So, this is the gradient that I have chosen. I will just keep this here. I will keep this gradient and I will adjust this in the frame like this. So, as you can see, this is our background, right? Now, we will take this text and we will write here, Tea Time Hub. Now what we will do is we will select this and I will keep the font size to 96. And I will go to the fonts and I will keep the font this one. And now, we will change the color to brown. This is the brown color that I have chosen. Now, what we will do is, we will set the font size to 110. And now, we will keep this in middle, like this. This is the logo that I have chosen. I will keep this here. And now, let's start making the navbar. Let me put this text here. So, as you can see, this is the home text. And it has 24 pixels of the font size. Semibold is the font weight. And Josephine Slab is the font style. And this is the font color of this home. And there is a little line, which is from the shape tool. It has this same color. Similarly, you have to make these sections. Now, what we will do is, we will make a sign up button here. We will take a rectangle from the shape tool. And we will make a rectangle. 125 should be the width. And 49 should be the height. And it should be curved fully, like the rounded corners. And I will give this color. Or we can give this color also. Or let's give it this color. And now, we will go to the text. And we will write here, sign up. And we will change the font to Poppins. And we will make it medium. And then, we will make this 100% white. And we will change the font size to 20. Let's keep this here. Now we will take this logo and we will align it with the navbar, like this. So, now we will take the text and the rectangle. We will select them both and we will group them by clicking Ctrl+G. It is grouped now, as you can see here. Now we will select the navbar and we will click here. So, it is in the center now and we are completely done with our navbar. Now we will make the subhero section by clicking this T and we will write this here. So, I have pasted some of the generated text, AI generated text, and I will keep it here. So, as you can see, when we select this, it includes the font Poppins. It has the font weight as light. It does have the 22 font size and it has this color. So, we are done with this. Now we will make the Explore button. We will click Alt and we will duplicate this Sign Up button. Now we will set the width to 145 like this and we will write here Explore. Now, we will keep this in the middle. Now, we will give it a color this one and this is completely done. Now it's time to add the main image, which is the T image. Let me put that now. Here is the T image. We can also change these both colors like this. Let me keep this to dark brown. Okay, this is nice. We are completely done with the T-Web design. Congratulations and bye-bye.